itching to get wrecked.
More enemies! I'll keep them occupied! Crash down!
The last handshake.
You're on fire!
I'll draw them. Time to get cracking.
What's the enemy? Powering! The enemy brought me back! Come ahead! Come for advantage! Get you, Leo! They're on us. Orders?
Enemy reinforcements!
We've been found.
Crash down!
The enemy is right!
Keep it up, Leo! Hold them off!
Get out of here! Wide flat! This is air
I need you, Leo! Go on!
Let's use it to the max!
Gemini, right!
Overclock!
Still okay?
I can help you!
Butterfly blade! Landscape move!
Dragon tail! Phantom sword! Dragon tail!
Heal! Let's pass the ball!
Crash out!
Get in the groove!
Keep it up, Leo!
Execute it! I'm gonna give it away of it! No more for advantage! Get you, Leo! Giant leap!
Take the enemy to me!
Can't let you get me up, Noah! No way! Let's go advantage!
How? We can do this!
Feel it in my bones! Got it! Butterfly blade!
Low range!
Power of Purple!
Let's use it to the max!
Butterfly blade! Power of Purple!
Let's use it to the max!
Ready whenever!
Uppercut slash!
My power flows free!
We can do this together!
Mwamba? Hacked.
They've been reborn?
No, if that was the case, wouldn't they be way younger? Mwamba looks like he did this term.
Wamba! It's me! Lance! You know me! Stop it! Wamba! And now Kamaravi? What's going on? This melody.
Miyabi! It's Miyabi?
Why?
So that's why.
Miyabi! It's me, Senna, your friend! We came to save you! You don't have to fight for him anymore! So stop and come along with us!
Save thy breath. The Revenants neither remember nor feel. Only the instinct to fight tooth and nail for survival. Normally, they would undergo basic conditioning in a cradle prior to being awoken. as you all once did. They would fight for 10 years before returning to Her Majesty.
What a piece of work.
These younglings, they live for the sole purpose of battle. They are just as you are.
You're full of it. Our memories and feelings, they define us. They dictate who we are. When you take all of that away...
'Tis a phantasm. Fundamentally, memories and feelings are but tacked on extras, an afterthought.
Tacked on? Cut the crap!
Oh, they are as sheep. You are simply deceiving yourselves, wishing to divine some meaning from something that is devoid of it.
Why are you doing this? What's your goal?
Merely the betterment of life for Mobius.
What?
For such is Zed's humble desire.
Zed!
It is Zed who wove the fabric of this world. Consequently, we who are his avatars enjoy powers beyond mortal ken.
Mobius are Zed's avatars.
The gift I was imparted is the creation of flame clocks. Must I say more? I hold the life of every soldier in the very palm of my hand. Indeed, the flame clocks. They are part of my very being. Ethel and Kamaravi's flame clocks. Those were some of my finest work. Did they not thrill you? The ebb and flow of their lives. Then did it strike me. Like unto a flame, human life also doth glow and glimmer brightest just before it is quenched. And hence, there can be no greater nourishment. Indeed, this flame clock is therefore my proudest creation. The final year, when life is at its most dazzling. A clock that gives rise to a sublime instant. 'Tis a flame clock most radiant.
Final year. So that's it. Muamba and Kamaravi, you brought them back close to their homecoming.
Why? This is all kinds of screwed up. I've never met anyone I wanted to punch more.
Yeah. Even for Mobius, he takes the biscuit.
What is the matter? Proceed with the killing. Let your function be fulfilled and kill. And I shall raise you up as many times as needed with my flame clock ablaze.
He's mad.
Come. Let mine eyes feast upon the brilliance of your lives. Here, anon!
Keep your attacks focused most of all.
You're dealing with me.
Time to get cracked.
What's the enemy?
No!
You're dealing with me.
Out of the way!
What's the enemy? Got you covered.
Neo!
Let me give you a taste this!
I'll draw them.
Time to get cracked!
Sorry.
Senna! Yeah! Like this! Noah! What are you playing at? I gotta push through this! It ain't here!
It is done.
Over yet!
Must fight.
Hold them off! Keep your attacks focused!
You're dealing with me. Thanks for the support. Hey!
I'll draw them. Cheers to that!
Lost the enemy. You're dealing with me.
More riches!
You ready, Jenny? Just one.
I can help you!
You're in the way!
Fighting.
You might want to hang back! Give it up! Give it up! More where that came from! Give it up! Out the way! More where that came from!
We'll finish it here! I've got it right! I'll lead!
I can follow that up. You're done.
You're in the clear!
Bring it home!
Great. Everyone get ready. You're in for it now. You're dealing with me. Thanks for the support.
Let me give you a taste! You won't get away!
Keep up the pressure. Here we go, Lance. I'm pulling out all the
Out
stuff.
the way!
Let's do it, Tyler. Gonna knock you into next week. I'll end it here.
Give it up!
Come on now.
Out the way! Let me give you a taste!
Me. Wanna die? Beauty. No way.
Kill!
Fine, everyone. Got you covered.
Eat this!
Come on now.
Where that came from? Let me give you
Come
a
on
taste!
now.
Oh, Malamba, when did you get so strong?
Kamaravi too. The last time we fought,
he was in a Phoronis. But he seems to be even more driven this time round. Sparks! Is this their fight or flight instinct?
Poor Miyabi. They're strong, all right. But that's all they are.
Huh?
The melody Miyabi used to play, it wasn't like this. There's no way it was ever this sad. So then...
Yeah. They're hollow. There's no will behind their actions. It's not our old friends that we're fighting here. It's something else.
An astute observation, yes. It is so. Owing to the basic conditioning being lacking, their psyches are rather unstable. The melody you hear serves to prop them up. An Offseer conveys peace to their cohorts. They enable them to realize dreams. That is what I focused my efforts on, and iterated.
That's wrong! You can't use the Offseers!
Au contraire, au contraire. Behold for thyself. The mental instability is assuaged, and their movements adhere to the base specifications. Certainly, there is no will behind it, but will is an undesired side effect.
Evil! You can't do this! Not to Miyabi! Not to our off-seeing rights! How dare you use them to your own ends!
That's a good tune. A Chris original?
Yeah, I suppose it is.
Maybe I'll pinch it as well.
You've got your own tunes, Noah. Those are just as good. Wonderful, I'd say.
Really? I only tweaked a few notes in a score from my previous colony.
It's not the notes that matter. It's the feelings you imbue them with.
Feelings?
Raw emotion. It resonates.
Mio! It's feelings!
Feelings?
It's the Offseer melody we've been playing. We just need to play it again now. She's an Offseer too. I know for sure it'll reach her.
Of course, yeah. Our melody. Just like always.
Yeah.
Understood. I'm taking the lead. You follow.
Noah, Mio, what are you...
Wow. Good thinking, you two.
Huh?
I'm saying this might actually work. Come on, guys. Defend. Lance. Senna.
All right!
Sure thing.
What in the...
Miyabi? Hear me? It's me. Mio. Remember that day when you first explained to me the purpose of an Offseer? Softly. That fateful day when the lights of life danced into the sky. So high. Ever since that day, I've done my best to play that melody you trusted me with. Miyabi, you gave me newfound life back then. Now, let it be my turn. Mio. Help me. Wait, Miyabi. I'll be with you soon.
Mio.
Mio!
How can this be? Their memories, their minds ought to have all been scoured clean!
Why? An Offseer's melody. It's more than a sequence of notes. It is shaped by feelings. Those of the player and of the ones being played for. All I did was shape the feeling Miyabi passed to me. And play my heart out.
Inconceivable. You were able to override Zed's precepts? No Ouroboros should command that sort of power! The Sword of the End. That's what's behind this reprehensible act. Well then, I shall just have to ascertain the matter.
Oh, Spark! He's coming!
Now he steps in.
He's even chunkier than that K guy.
That is a lot of junk.
Noah! Mia! Come on!
Yeah, take him down. Then we can free the colony.
Since you are no longer bound by the flame hooks, my Mobius power certainly holds no sway over you. Oh no! At this late hour, I will bring my mind, spirit, and flesh to bear, and batter you all into oblivion!